Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to identify the file type or extension on Mac. So launch the Finder, open any folder where your files are stored. So right now, if you want to identify the file type or the extension, you can just select that particular file and it will give you a kind where it shows what type of file is this. So it is a PDF document and you can see it's .pdf. Now there is a second file which is kind as application and it does not have extension. Now if you want to identify the extension of this particular file, what you can do is you can right click and select get info, which will open up this info page, and here you have this name and extensions. You can toggle it on and then you can see the neardrop.app, which is neardrop.app. So in this way you can identify the file type, kind and extensions for any files on your Mac computer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.